Hello, everyone.
Welcome back to Product Critique,
The channel where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have an exciting tech gadget to talk about, the Wi-Fi Extender Signal Range Booster. If you've ever struggled with Wi-Fi dead zones in your home or office, this device might just be the solution you've been looking for. Let's kick things off with the unboxing. The Wi-Fi Extender comes neatly packaged with everything you need to get started. Inside the box, you'll find the extender unit itself, a quick installation guide, and an Ethernet cable. The build quality feels solid, and it has a sleek design that should blend well with your home decor. Now, let's delve into the key features that make this Wi-Fi extender stand out. This device boasts an impressive coverage area of up to 4,500 square feet, perfect for eliminating those Wi-Fi dead zones in your home. It offers two modes: repeater mode and AP mode. Repeater mode extends your existing Wi-Fi network, while AP mode lets you create a new Wi-Fi access point from a wired network. With a data transfer rate of 300 megabits per second in the 2.4 GHz band, it ensures fast and stable data transmission for all your online activities. Setting up this extender is a breeze, thanks to the WPS function. You can also configure it through your web browser on a smartphone, tablet, or PC. It complies with IEEE 802.11b/GN standards and supports WPA, WPA2 security protocols, ensuring your network remains safe from potential threats. Let's walk through the installation process quickly. First, plug the extender into a power outlet and wait for it to initialize. Then, press the WPS button on both the extender and your router simultaneously. Within 30 seconds, you'll have the extender up and running. Alternatively, you can follow the user manual for step-by-step instructions. To test its performance, I placed the extender in a problematic Wi-Fi dead zone in my home. As you can see, the signal strength has significantly improved, allowing me to stream HD videos, play online games, and browse the web seamlessly. In conclusion, the Wi-Fi Extender Signal Range Booster by BIGtec is an excellent solution for expanding your Wi-Fi coverage and eliminating dead zones. With its easy setup, reliable performance, and security features, it's a must-have for anyone seeking to enhance their wireless network. And the best part? It's budget-friendly, with a price tag of just $19.99. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more product reviews and tech insights. If you have any questions or if you've used this Wi-Fi extender yourself, please share your experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.